Humanmade runs the first advanced manufacturing training program, and as part of that, individuals come in for a 12-week extensive hands-on learning experience where they have the option of taking one of two cohorts. One is additive manufacturing and the other is subtractive manufacturing. So CNC operator or 3D printing technician are the two choices that we're running right now.
The program was launched a year and a half ago as a partnership between the City and County of San Francisco, SF-Made, and Humanmade. Humanmade is the first full-scale maker education space that is nonprofit, and as a result, their mission puts into the very forefront the idea of democratizing access to the tools of making and really getting diverse people into the maker movement and the manufacturing scene.
From the first day they come into the space, they're actually working with the tools. They're seeing how the tools work, how approachable they are, and that they too have the skill set or will have the skill set to operate these machines.
Seeing an actual product come from the design and sketch has been very empowering, because now I feel like no one can stop me in terms of what I want to fabricate. I'm starting to get confidence in myself and confidence in the things that I know, and I'm feeling like I'm being more fearless, which is great.
It's a small classroom, so you get a lot of one-on-one time with the instructor, and it's great. I mean, they hone in on the basics and they're focused, laser focused on what we're going to be doing.
3D printing is like the future of the manufacturing, and it's just kind of cool, you know, something about it. That does make a difference when you see the world. You kind of see it from different perspectives.
This is just the new language. It's the new language of shaping ideas, so to speak. So I think that's important. If you think in Legos and surfaces and shapes and functions, right, this will just be a further expression of that.
I hope that this program teaches me more about myself, more about what I want to do with my life. Seeing these tools and then seeing what they could do just showed me it's like opening up a whole new world of like what you can make.
Once those folks complete the 12-week program, we then leverage our partners, SF-Made, to place them in life-changing careers in the manufacturing sector.
SF-Made takes the lead on identifying manufacturers here in San Francisco and also in other parts of the Bay Area, and then we work to create those work opportunities and help graduates of next generation manufacturing get jobs at those employers.
At one point, I did actually work downstairs at APRO-E as a CAD designer. The cool thing about that was I got to draw for a living.
This was the opportunity to get into a manufacturing field in which I could express myself like to my truest form. Graduated Friday, interviewed Saturday, had a job Monday. I would recommend this to anybody who's into creating things. It's a no-brainer.
So at the end of the day, manufacturing is one of the few sectors we have in the Bay Area that truly provides an economic on-ramp to shared prosperity and economic equity for people here. I hope that we will really inspire in a hands-on way, a whole new generation of young people to want to go into making and manufacturing as their career.
I think it's one thing to talk about doing workforce development. It's another thing to actually see the change that we're allowing in people's lives. Their confidence changes, their amount of desire to learn changes when you can bring something to life that you've thought of and see it go from concept to reality. It is one of the most fulfilling and exhilarating emotions that you could ever have. So we wanted to provide that to everyone who had the desire.